Hey friends, it's Emily. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or thanks for stopping by if you happen to be new here. Today's video we're going to be tackling some winter prep. Every year I clean all of my winter accessories, my coat, and winterize my Uggs just to have a clean slate before the cold months officially set in. As you could see in the previous clip, I started off by taking out a lot of my winter accessories and throwing them into the wash. And now in this clip you can see I am looking at my winter coat, and it is a disaster just from all the salt and the dirt I come into contact over the winter time. It is nasty, so I'm going to be showing in this video how I scrub my down coat, and I'm going to also be showing how I clean my North Face as well. The recipe to make the homemade solution to clean your coat is made from 3 really simple and easy to find ingredients. It's just hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, and Dawn dish soap. It's going to be pretty much 1 equal parts. The recipe does say 1 part baking soda, 1 part Dawn dish soap, and 2 parts hydrogen peroxide, but I ended up using more baking soda to make it into this thick paste. What you want to do is try to cover as much of the coat as you can, especially the parts that are super stained. And I even kind of scrubbed the solution into the extra stained parts just to make sure that it was very, very well covered. Once you have covered your coat in the solution, you'll want it to let it sit for about 30 minutes. And then if you want to, you can add more solution at that point and then let it sit for another 30 minutes. What I ended up doing is just letting both my coats sit for about an hour. So after letting both my coats sit for about an hour, I got to start taking the solution off of the coat. I used a scrub brush and started scrubbing the solution all over the coat just to work it in even more, as well as then starting to rinse the solution off. You should see the things we do, baby. The way to get the stains out most effectively is to really put your back into it. I was scrubbing really hard to get all that dirt and grime and salt out of my coat. After I scrubbed both my coats and tried to rinse them off as best as I could, I threw them in the washing machine and moved on to cleaning my Uggs. I used the waterproof spray all over the boots and got them pretty wet to make sure that they were very well covered. And then what I did next was I stuffed the boots with rags to keep them standing upright while they dried, and they have to dry for 24 hours. If you didn't happen to notice, in the previous clip I was in a different outfit, and now I'm in a different outfit yet again, as it took me about 3 days to finish all of my projects. That is life with a toddler for you. So in this clip, what I'm doing is just reorganizing all of the gloves, hats, scarves. I put all of the hats and gloves away in the closet, and now I'm putting all of my scarves back in my closet upstairs. Alright, so that is going to be it for me today. Thank you so much for joining me as I get ready and prepare for winter. It's going to be a long one. If you liked any part of this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Thank you for watching. Bye!